Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Let's go. You could gaze into the future.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling.
Do whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to. Do whatever you want to do.
Alright, what's up y'all? I am here with another video. As I already showed you, this video is sponsored by WowAfrican, and today I have an 18-inch Okay y'all, this is a very beginner friendly wig. It comes with the knots bleached already. This is a 360 lace wig, and it's 150% density. And I know that you guys get really stuck on bleaching the knots. You may over bleach them, you may over process them, you really get stuck in that. So this is honestly very beginner friendly because the knots are already bleached and you don't have to worry about plucking, because that's not our main concern today. Our main concern is getting this wig on and getting it to look natural, because I know how hard it can be as a beginner to apply your own wig at home, especially when you're on a budget. So this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because I have some very important things to share with you guys. And make sure you leave a like and a comment. And you're going to go ahead and take your shears, your scissors. You can use these, or you can use a razor comb, or you can use an eyebrow razor, and you're just going to go in a jagged motion. You don't really want to go straight across, because that's going to give you a wiggy look, but you're going to get as close to the hairline as possible. And if it's too hard for you to cut it on yourself, you can go ahead and take it off and just follow on the outline of the hairline. Use the same jagged motion though, nothing is different. And then once you get this lace cut off in the front, you're going to flip the wig to the back and just go ahead and cut that lace straight off. You can cut that straight off because that's not going to be showing, and that's really not, you know, a main concern of ours.
You pay your bills one time. You only get one life, so remove all the drama and the stress one time. Take a chance on your dream one time. Take time, bust a wine one time. Bonus lift, get high one time. Now make nobody pressure you. Take time, take time.
When it comes to me applying the back of my wigs, I always just use the clips that come inside of the wig and just stick it underneath my braids and my client's braids. I don't really worry about gluing that down, because if you try to glue that down back there, you're going to be gluing every 2 to 3 days. The glue back there does not last. You're sweating, you're wrapping your hair up. It's just not going to last. But this is how long the hair looks on me. It's 18 inches and I'm 5 feet. So, you know, hair looks a little long on me. And I'm just making sure that it fits properly. But this wig is perfect because the size is 22 to 22.5, and that's my head size, so it's super perfect. Now we're going to move on to this glue. This glue is also very beginner friendly. Trina the Dreamweaver, she has 2 different sets of glues that she offers. She has the Super Bond and she has the Sensitive Bond. This one is the Sensitive Bond, and it's more so for an everyday use, or, you know, every week, and you can take it off, clean it off, reapply it, and it's not sticky and hard to use like the Super Bond, which is waterproof. Like, if you haven't seen my video that I did a few weeks ago, I want you to go ahead and check that out. If you're looking for a waterproof hold, you're going on vacation or anything like that where you're going to be in water, I recommend that you use that glue, and I recommend you go and check that video out. Oh, bless me. Oh, thank you. But you're just going to take this end of this comb. Well, it's not really a comb. It's like a baby hair creator. You know, you can use it to melt your lace down. It's like really like a 3-in-1. So you can use this to smooth the glue out. You can use this to create baby hair. You can use this to melt your baby hair. And you can go ahead and purchase these on my website. This is a new item, so I'm just trying it out for you guys, but it works really good. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks on my clients, and it works really nicely. And once the glue is clear, you can go ahead and apply the wig down. And like I said, this is very beginner friendly. I want you guys to just go on the outside of your hairline, put the glue right there, spread it out, and make sure it's thin. Once it's thin and it's dried up, not dry to the point where you can't stick your wig down, but once it turns clear, that's the green light for you to move forward and apply your wig. I'm only going to use one layer of glue because this is just going to be, you know, for an everyday use for you guys. You don't have to put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers. Like, a lot of glue does not equal a longer lasting wig. That's false. The thinner and the less glue you use, the easier and the tackier and the longer it's going to last for you. So you can use 1 to 2 layers if you want, and you're going to just go ahead and take your fingers and massage the wig down into your head. Then you're going to take your comb. Actually, this comb came from WowAfrican, so they supply you with the whole kit, honey. They give you the wig, they give you the caps, they give you the comb. Like, it can't get no better than that. And you're just going to take the comb it in, part it down the middle, and you see how natural it looks. You're not going to focus on the baby hair. You're not going to focus on any of that. Just focus on the fact that your wig is on. Like, look at you. Give yourself a round of applause. Congratulations. You see how humpy this looks? This is what you want to go for. You know, when it comes down to the wig getting shipped and all of that, it just comes like this. So you want to go ahead and put the finishing touches. Your finishing touches is going to consist of your hot comb. Now, this is what will happen if the hot comb is too hot. It's going to burn the hair. So you want to blow on it, let it cool down a bit. And once it cools down, you're going to go ahead and press down into the roots. You don't want to press down like you're combing. You just want to slide the hot comb in the roots. If you are afraid to use the hot comb that goes on the stove or inside of the stove that they sell for the Marcel irons, you can go ahead and get an electrical hot comb. It doesn't get as hot as the one on the stove, but I'm going to make this beginner friendly, so I recommend that you guys go and get it. Go ahead and get the electrical one that you plug up and the heat is controlled. Now, would you look at that? Perfect. The other side, need work. Love you, hot comb. I love you so much. And the hot comb gets in places and creases and crevices that a flat iron just cannot go. And this is called a max stick. It consists of natural, organic, handmade items. And if you're all about supporting Black businesses, this is awesome. This is an awesome product that you can use. And I also have a full hair care line from this company that I'm going to be reviewing on my channel in a few days. And you're going to just take that max stick and smooth it on the top where you have laid down your hair, you know, where the humps and bumps were. And then you're going to just take your comb it in. Then you're going to take your hot comb and reinforce that so it can be super flat. It smells really, really good as well. And after that, you're going to take your flat iron and start to create the curls. The curls that I'm using, well, the flat iron that I'm using to create these curls is the Baby Bliss, however you say it, Prima 3000, and I have it on the highest heat. And I'm gonna show you 2 different ways to curl. If you want the curls to go away from your face, of course you're gonna take the flat iron, twist 2 times, and just pull backwards. Once you have the curl created, take your fingers and twirl the hair, and then you have your curl. If you want the curls to go inward, watch what I do on the opposite side.
When I split get high one time, now make nobody pressure me, cause I can do whatever I want to do. I can do whatever I want to do whatever I want to do. I can do whatever. If you set some goals, believe, work hard, you can achieve. Don't worry about nobody. Go and live lavish. You see a ticket where you want buy. Go and fly. Enjoy life. Make sure you pay your bills on time. You only get one life, so remove all the drama and the stress one time.
The link for this max stick is going to be in my description box. And if you're all about supporting Black owned businesses, it's an awesome product to use and to buy. I love it. It works really good. It smells really good to the point where I just want to eat it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for this informational ending. All right, y'all, this is just a quick update. I'm in the car right now, and all I did was went from the house to the car, took a few pictures, and my curls are gone. Like, I know this is straight hair or whatever. My bad. I know this is straight hair or whatever, but you know, I was expecting a little bit more. But other than that, I don't think this hair is bad. This is not a bad quality of hair. But if you do want to achieve curls and you want the curls to stay, don't mind this little spot. I don't know what happened to my makeup, but I'm really not feeling that. I don't know what that is. But anyway, if you want your curls to stay, I recommend you getting body wave. But this hair is honestly really nice. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Me showing y'all how to apply a wig when you don't know what the heck you're doing. Because as a beginner, it can be very frustrating. Because, you know, everybody don't have $300, $400, $500 to spend to get their hair done professionally. So I can understand that, you know, this was a pretty basic tutorial. I don't want you guys to get hooked on how to do the baby hair. Like, you gotta take it one step at a time, baby. Take it one step at a time, okay? Once you learn how to apply it and get it flat and slick down how I showed you, and have it applied to where the glue is sticking down, it's not lifting up, I want you to focus on that first. So this is your project. You're going to take this, what I taught you. This is your homework. For the next month or two, you're going to focus on that. Focus on getting it flat, sip down, and on. Then you want to worry about the curls and all of that. You can elevate, you can build. Then you really want to worry about the baby hair last. Because baby hair are really not necessary. Because what you're going to do when you learn how to do the baby hair, and then they get messed up in 3, 4, 5 days, and then you're looking crazy. So don't really focus on the baby hair. You know, you just want to, the main purpose is to not be worried about your hair at all. You don't have to be worried about your leave outs, your natural hair. You don't have to be worried about it. That's what I really love about wigs. And that's what I really love about them. I don't have to worry about my hair underneath here. As long as I wash it and I treat it and all that good stuff, that's all that matters. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.